Morning! 22nd of February today, and this is our first day here in Morocco. So it's a nice morning. So we're just going to get some breakfast and have a look around. It's breakfast time. It's coffee time. Let's try their coffee here.
Springtime cooler.
What are you having?
Springtime cooler.
Springtime cooler.
Please, thank you.
No, my friend. I give you something.
Yeah?
And for you also.
Thank you.
My friends,
Thank you very much.
final steps. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank
Can
you.
you taste it?
Yeah?
Cheers.
Nice.
Refreshing, yeah?
Lovely.
There is a gin, peach liqueur, daiquiri lemon, bar liqueur, and kira.
Lovely. Thank you.
You're welcome. my
Very
friend.
nice.
And they have a lot of surprises for you.
Yeah?
Oh,
okay.
we'll come back then.
Yeah. We're going to have a look down the beach and then we come back and have another one.
Of course, thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah,
See you
thank
later.
You just sit here and drink.
Yeah. It's a special recipe, apparently. Right, we got whiskey here.
First shot of the holiday.
Ooh. That's strong.
On a holiday, yo.
We are going down the beach. Let's go.
Touch him. Come on, be courage. He's friendly. His name Herman. Can make picture.
Whoa! Jesus! Whoa! Shukra. It's a very nice day today. It's so warm. Hang on. Now that we're drunk, we're going back in our room.
I'm quite drunk as well.
Yeah, the last drink that we had, that is really strong.
Old Edgar. Old Edgar at the bar, he's plying us with like loads of alcohol. What's his name?
Imad,
Oh, sorry.
his name.
Edgar. Imad. You know.
So we're going back in our room. That camel was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
I saw you scared.
Yeah, at first it
Tell you to
was.
flap your arms. Like,
At first it was really scary,
hey,
but then
where are we going?
I don't know.
We're
I
lost.
think it's straight. Right. Yeah, that camel was really scary at first because you have to lean forward. Yeah, when the camel started to move, it was quite scary. That's my first time. It's not James's first time because you did it. Yeah, he did it in Turkey, but that was my first time. It was fun. Oh my god, that was good. I really enjoyed it. Let's go to reception and ask them about their trips. So we need to ask Tui for the trips. Right, I got the information about the trips, so let's go back to James. There he is.
Did you say that?
Yeah, I did. We got the information about the trips from Tui. We are going for dinner. James has booked a dinner in Moroccan dishes. Is that right? Moroccan cuisine?
Moroccan a la carte.
Moroccan a la carte. Yeah, so that's what it's called. I'm starving as well. Traditional Moroccan food, beef tangine and chicken tangine. We're done with our dinner and James had a little surprise for me. We have a cake and the flower and him, and we have this champagne. We are just outside the hotel in front of all these shops here.